Solve. 1 plus t equals a over b for b. To solve this equation, I am looking to get b by itself on one side of the equation. Right now it's in a denominator. So the first thing we're going to do is clear the denominator, or clear the equation of fractions by multiplying both sides by the denominator b. When I do that, I'm not going to multiply this out here. I have b times 1 plus t equals a divided by b times b is a. Now I no longer have b as a denominator. I want to solve for b, so I can divide both sides of the equation by 1 plus t. Dividing this side by 1 plus t, and dividing this side by 1 plus t. This will cancel, and I'll be left with b equals a over 1 plus t. Since b is by itself on one side of the equation with no occurrences of b on the other side of the equation, I've solved for b.